Different businesses might have their own credit management needs. It allows to review the credit risk by setting up the credit limit for your customers in Microsoft Dynamics NAV. This is a Sana demo store. Right now, I am logged into the web store with a customer that has a credit limit. I will add some product to the shopping cart. When a customer places an order which exceeds his or her credit limit, a customer will see a warning message. In this example, you can see that the customer is informed about exceeding the credit limit and asked to pay the order online through a payment provider using a credit or debit card. There is also another scenario when a customer exceeds his or her credit limit and is asked to pay the outstanding invoices. So, in the first example, the customer is asked to pay full amount online while placing the order. And in the second example, the customer is asked to pay his or her outstanding invoices. Which message to show to your customers and how they should pay can be configured in Sana Admin. I will tell you more about this later on. What is important to know is that Microsoft Dynamics NAV doesn't block customers from creating sales orders when they exceed their credit limit, but only shows a warning message. So, customers can still create orders even when they exceed the credit limit. That is the default logic of NAV. Let's see how to set up credit limits in Microsoft Dynamics NAV. I will go to Financial Management, Receivables, Setup, Sales and Receivables Setup. Here you can enable credit limit warnings. In the field Credit Warnings, you must select either credit limit or both warnings. It is needed to validate customer's credit limit and to show a warning message in the Sana web store when a customer exceeds the credit limit. And now let's open the details of some customer. I will go to the Customers table and open this customer, for example. On the General First tab, you can enter the maximum amount you allow the customer to exceed the payment balance before warnings are issued. The system compares the credit limit amount with the customer's balance. If the customer's balance exceeds the credit limit amount, a warning message will be shown to the customer in the web store. The customer will see the amount by which he or she exceeds the credit limit. The customer's credit limit and balance are in the local currency in NAV, but the currency of a customer can differ from the local one. The amount by which the customer exceeds the credit limit is shown in the web store in the currency of the customer. And now let's check the credit limit settings in Sana Admin. I will go to Setup, Ordering and Checkout. On the Ordering tab, you can see the field Validate Credit Limits for B2B customers. So, credit limits are supported in Sana for B2B customers, and if you want to use them, you must set up credit limits in Microsoft Dynamics NAV and in Sana. There is also dependency between the options Validate Credit Limits and Online Order Payments for B2B customers. For example, if you select that B2B customers should pay full amount online when they place orders, then you cannot enable credit limits validation. When credit limits validation is disabled, the warning message will not be shown to the customers in the web store when they exceed the credit limit, but it will be still calculated in NAV. Customers will go through the usual checkout process. If you enable credit limit validation with warning only, then customers will see the warning message that they should pay the outstanding invoices when they exceed the credit limit. In this case, customers can pay their orders either on account or based on prepayment rules, depending on the payment type set in the Online Order Payments field. If you enable credit limits validation with online payment, then customers will see the warning message that they should pay the order online when they exceed the credit limit. In this case, the customers will need to pay a full order amount online through a payment provider using their credit or debit card, regardless of the payment type that is configured for B2B customers in Sana. Sana has no influence on how credit limits and customers' balance are calculated in Microsoft Dynamics NAV. The default NAV logic is used. If credit limits are configured for the customers in NAV, they will be always calculated. In Sana Admin, you can only control which message will be shown to the customers in the web store when they exceed their credit limit and how they should pay their orders.